Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play air realistic battles in War Thunder. First, understand that this mode features realistic flight models, demanding precise control. You'll need to manage your fuel, ammunition, and engine temperatures carefully throughout each mission. Mastering takeoff and landing is crucial, as successful execution can often determine your overall mission outcome. These fundamental skills are your first step towards becoming a proficient pilot in this challenging mode. Once airborne, effective combat strategies are key to victory. Employ energy fighting to maintain an advantage in altitude and speed over your opponents. Practice boom and zoom tactics, diving on enemies, and then climbing away to safety, minimizing exposure. Always use defensive flying maneuvers to evade incoming fire and protect your aircraft. These techniques will significantly improve your survivability and combat effectiveness in the skies. Selecting the right aircraft is paramount for success. Choose a plane that aligns with your preferred playstyle, whether it's a fast interceptor or a durable heavy fighter. Customize your ammunition belts to maximize their effectiveness against specific enemy types. Understand the unique strengths and weaknesses of different aircraft, such as a fighter's maneuverability versus a bomber's payload. This informed choice gives you a significant edge. For advanced play, teamwork and situational awareness are vital. Communicate constantly with your teammates to coordinate devastating attacks and provide mutual support. Maintain high situational awareness, tracking enemy positions and anticipating their next moves across the entire battlefield. Consistent practice is essential to refine your piloting skills and sharpen your combat decision-making. These elements combine to elevate your performance to an expert level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.